Industrial automation is the backbone of modern manufacturing industries, and today almost every factory depends on automation systems to improve productivity, accuracy, and operational safety. Automation helps industries reduce human effort, minimize errors, and ensure consistent production quality. From small manufacturing units to large industrial plants, automation systems play a very important role in daily operations. In industrial automation systems, the PLC, or Programmable Logic Controller, is one of the most important components. A PLC is a specialized industrial computer that is used to control machines, processes, and equipment automatically. It receives signals from input devices such as sensors and push buttons, processes these signals using a programmed logic, and then controls output devices like motors, lamps, valves, and actuators. The programming method most commonly used in PLCs is called ladder logic. Ladder logic is a graphical programming language that closely resembles traditional electrical relay control circuits. Because of this similarity, ladder logic is very easy to understand for electricians, technicians, and maintenance engineers who already have basic electrical knowledge. The logic is displayed in a visual form instead of complex text-based code, which makes troubleshooting and modification much simpler in industrial environments. Before PLCs were introduced, industrial control systems mainly relied on electrical relays, contactors, and timers. These relay-based systems were physically wired and required a lot of hardware. Any change in the control logic meant rewiring the entire panel, which was time-consuming and expensive. PLCs replaced these traditional systems because they are faster, more reliable, require less wiring, and can be easily modified using software without changing physical connections. A ladder logic program consists of two vertical lines, called power rails, and multiple horizontal lines known as rungs. The left power rail represents the supply line, and the right power rail represents the return line. The rungs are placed between these two rails and represent logical control paths. Each rung works independently and follows a logical flow from left to right, similar to the flow of current in electrical circuits. Each rung in ladder logic performs one specific operation or decision. The PLC continuously scans the ladder program from top to bottom and from left to right. When the conditions placed on the left side of a rung are true, the PLC activates the output element located on the right side of that rung. If the conditions are false, the output remains inactive. This scanning process happens very fast and repeats continuously while the PLC is running. Input devices such as push buttons, limit switches, and sensors are represented in ladder logic using normally open and normally closed contacts. A normally open contact allows the logic to become true only when the input is activated, while a normally closed contact allows the logic to remain true until the input is activated. These contacts help the PLC decide whether a condition is true or false at any given time. When a sensor detects an object, position, or movement in an industrial process, it sends an electrical signal to the PLC input module. This signal informs the PLC that a specific condition has been met. The PLC input module converts this signal into a form that the PLC processor can understand and use for logical decision-making. The PLC then processes this input signal according to the ladder logic program stored in its memory. Based on the program logic, the PLC decides whether to turn an output device on or off. This decision-making process happens in real time and allows machines to respond quickly and accurately to changes in the production environment. If all program conditions are satisfied, the PLC activates the output device. This output device can be an electric motor, an indicator lamp, a solenoid valve, or any other industrial machine component. For example, a motor may start running when a start button is pressed and stop when a stop button is activated. This type of control is commonly known as start and stop motor control using ladder logic. Ladder logic is widely used in real manufacturing industries around the world because it is reliable, flexible, and easy to maintain. It is commonly applied in conveyor systems, packaging machines, production lines, and many other industrial applications. If you want to learn more about PLC programming and industrial automation concepts step by step, subscribe to this channel and continue your learning journey.